Hey guys, welcome back to part 6 of the Sketchbook series 4. I hope you like this rainy piece, and without further ado, let's begin.
I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. If I could see yourself, thought I could fly, so I stepped off the goal.